Let's create one more exercise in SolidWorks. In this video, you'll learn to use Revolve and Extruded cut. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we will create a center line in the front plane with 200 millimeters of length, and create this line here and this one. This line here has 60 millimeters. It is the radius of this diameter, and this line here has 20 millimeters. So let's create this. Open the SolidWorks, go to Sketch and select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, okay, and go to Smart Dimension. The length here 200 millimeters, 60 millimeters here, and 20 millimeters here. Okay, let me move this dimension here a little bit. And now we will create this line here and this one. This line here has 100 millimeters of length, and the angle between this line here and this one is 45 degrees. Click here in this point, make a line here and make another line here, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here 100 millimeters, and the angle here is 45 degrees. Okay, and here we have the distance between this line here and the center line. It is 30 millimeters, the radius. Okay, so make the distance here 30 millimeters. And now let's create these three lines here. This line is equals the other three lines here. So select a line, make a line here. Okay, and select this line, hold the Ctrl in the keyboard, select this one, add relation, select equal, and press OK. Select this one and select this one, add relation, equal, press OK. We made this one. And now go to Features and select Revolved Boss Base. And the axis of revolution, select the center line and press OK. We made this body here. And now we needed to create this hole with 20 millimeters of diameter. This hole is throughout this body. It is missing this information here and this sketch. Okay, so let's create this hole. To create this hole, we'll go to create a sketch and select this face here and select the circle here in the center point. Make a circle here, and the diameter here is 20 millimeters of diameter. And go to Features and select Extruded Cut. And the direction here, select it through all and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay. And now we will create this square in the center. We have a square here, 25 millimeters. And the center of this square is in the center of this body. So the distance between the center of this square and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch. And here select the front plane. And select the center rectangle. Make a rectangle here. And go to Smart Dimensions. The distance here 25 millimeters. and select this line, hold Ctrl in the keyboard, select this line here, add relation, equal, and press OK. And here move this, the center of this square. You can select this point, hold Ctrl in the keyboard and select this point here, add relation vertical, and go to Smart Dimension. The distance here is 100 millimeters. And go to Feature, select Extruded Cut. And the direction here, select it through all both to make a cut in the both sides, okay? So that's it. And here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.